Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Today, we bring to you the second part of Whispers of the Blue Mountains. Today, another story from the Blue Hills of Nilgiris. The story is called The Ghost Train of Lovedale. That Lovedale railway station, part of the famous Nilgiri Mountain Railway, is known for its colonial charm. But few know about the ghost train that sometimes passes through the station. Late at night, the story goes that during the early 1900s, a tragic accident occurred on the steep leading to Lovedale. A train derailed due to faulty brakes, plummeting into the valley below. Among the passengers was a young girl named Kavya, traveling to meet her father. Her tiny doll was found amidst the wreckage, but her body never was. Today, travelers waiting for late night trains at Lovedale station report hearing the shrill whistle of an engine. Even when the tracks lie empty, some of them have seen an old steam engine appear out of nowhere. Its carriages filled with shadowy figures. The faint giggle of a child is often heard, followed by a haunting question: "Have you seen my doll?" Those who claim to have seen her say Kavya's spirits roam on the tracks, forever searching for her father. Let's elaborate on the little shrilly story. The Ghost Train of Lovedale. In the picturesque hill station of Lovedale, nestled in the Nilgiri Mountains, lies the famous Lovedale railway station, a quaint stop on the iconic Nilgiri Mountain Railway. The story dates back to the early 1900s, during the British colonial era, when Nilgiri Mountain Railway was a marvel of engineering. One fateful night, a tragic accident occurred on the steep incline leading to Lovedale. A passenger train carrying tourists, locals and families derailed due to faulty brakes and plunged into the valley below. Among the passengers was a young girl named Kavya, traveling with a doll to meet her father. Her doll was recovered from the wreckage, but her body was never found. Ever since that night, travelers at the Lovedale station have reported strange sightings and eerie experiences, especially those waiting for late night trains. Many speak of hearing the distant whistle of a train when the tracks lie empty, followed by the rhythmic chugging of an old steam engine. Soon a ghostly train emerges out of the mists, its carriages filled with shadowy, translucent figures. The most unsettling part of the legend is that the little girl Kavya. Those who have seen the ghost train claim to have heard her soft giggle echoing in the cold air. Sometimes she is seen standing on the platform, clutching a broken doll, her wide eyes searching the faces of the living. She often whispers a chilling question: "Have you seen my doll?" Legend has it that if you respond to her or try to engage, you might find yourself compelled to follow her, only to vanish into the mist forever. Station workers and locals avoid the platform after dark, leaving offerings of flowers and sweets at the station entrance to appease Kavya's restless spirit. They believe she continues to search for her father, her soul bound to the station where the journey ended. The Ghost Train of Lovedale is now as much a part of Nilgiri folklore as its lush tea gardens and misty hills. While some dismiss it as a tale spun to add mystery to the mountains, others swear by its truth, claiming to have seen the phantom train with their own eyes. Would you dare to wait for the last train of Lovedale, knowing you might not be alone? Or would you leave before the whistle of the ghost train pierces the night? Hope you like this story. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.